Nokia Mobility Manager 4A0-M03 exam is for Nokia Cloud Packet Core Expert certification. Come to DumpsBase to choose the valid 4A0-M03 exam. Dumps questions to prepare for the Nokia 4A0-M03 exam well. This video shares 4A0-M03 exam demo online to help you check Nokia Mobility Manager 4A0-M03 exam. Dumps. Question number 1. Which of the following statements regarding the role of the ME in the packet core is false? A. ME manages registration, authentication, and mobility for the UE. B. ME handles setup and management of UE connections to data and voice over LTE. C. ME routes and forwards user data packets received from eNode B. D. ME selects the appropriate SGW and PGW during a UE relocation. Answer: C. Question number 2. Which of the following is a diameter interface connected to the ME? A. S1 B. S11 C. GX D. SLG. Answer: B. Question number 3. If the selected SGW fails, which SGW PGW will ME select if Gateway Selection Mode 2 is used? A. A new SGW, but new PGW selection is not required. B. A new SGW first, then select a new PGW that is topologically closest to the newly selected SGW. C. A new SGW first, then select a new PGW with the best order and preference values. D. The next topologically closest SGW PGW pair. Answer: A. Question number 4. Which of the following statements regarding SGW pools and SGW service areas is false? A. An SGW service area is served by one or more SGW pools. B. A UE can move within an SGW service area without changing the serving SGW. C. A tracking area can belong to one or more SGW service areas. D. An SGW can be a member of one or more SGW pools. Answer: D. Question number 5. Which of the following statements best defines STMSI? A. A permanent, unique identification of a mobile subscriber in the GSM, UMTS, EPS system. B. A network that provides mobile communication services to the public. C. A globally unique temporary mobile identifier used to hide the subscriber's real permanent identity. D. An identifier assigned by the ME that uniquely identifies a UE within an ME pool. Answer: C. Question number 6. Which of the following statements regarding a tracking area list (TA list) is true? A. The location of an idle UE is known by the network at an E-node B granularity. B. The location of an active UE is known by the network at a TA list granularity. C. All the tracking areas in a TA list are served by the same ME. D. A tracking area list is a logical set of MMEs. Answer B. Question number 7. Which of the following ME interfaces uses a protocol other than GTP-C or diameter? A. S1MME, B. S11, C. S6A, D. SLG. Answer A. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a benefit of S1 flex mechanism? A. Minimizes ME relocation in case of UE mobility. B. Minimizes the number of MMEs required in a network. C. Provides ME load balancing. D. Provides ME geographical resilience. Answer D. Question number 9. Which of the following statements regarding an EPS dedicated bearer is false? A. A dedicated bearer is any EPS bearer to a PDN that is already connected to the UE. B. A dedicated bearer can be either a GBR or non-GBR bearer. C. A dedicated bearer remains active as long as the UE is attached to EPS. D. A dedicated bearer uses the same IP address that was allocated for the associated default bearer. Answer B. Question number 10. Which of the following statements regarding GTP-C is false? A. GTP-C is a tunneling protocol. B. GTP-C runs over UDP IP. C. GTP-C is the control plane part of GTP. D. GTP-C messages carry attribute value pairs AVPs. Answer C. Come to get real Dell EMC 4A0-M03 exam dumps to prepare for Nokia Mobility Manager certification exam.